What's up, guys? So tired today, very tired. Sorry I did not take you guys around my day today activities, but super very busy, so that's why I didn't. But I'm just the time is there about 7 p.m. GMT +1, so I have to do something for you guys because I told you I'm gonna dedicate myself for this channel because I really want to share my journey with you guys. You get the point, my wins and my loss. So I took a trade today. So the trade, I'm not going to say anything now, but I'm going to take you guys on the chat and show you what I saw and how the trade played out. So please, if you are new to this channel is all about me sharing my journey with you, my day one to the end, in becoming a profitable trader. I share my day-in-day activities, everything. I'm working and I'm also trading. It's really not easy. So if you are new to this channel, please just do subscribe to this channel, turn on post notification in order to get notified when I push new video like this. And guys, without wasting much of your time, I'm going to take you guys to the chat to show you how the trade played out and what I saw, and share some tips with you guys. So catch you up, guys.
Welcome back, guys, to the chat. This is my chart. The OGs know I trade the EURUSD, only one pair, and I trade the session time frame. You understand? I trade the London session and the New York session. So when I got my chart this morning, the London session opens GMT +1 my time. It opens GMT +1 my time. Please ignore the noise in the background, please. I'm currently in the office. This is 7:16 p.m. GMT +1. So I'm currently in the office. So guys, when I came to the chart this morning, what I saw when the London session opened, it opened by 9 p.m. my time. So when it opened, I saw my setup here, which is I wait for two breaks of structures. Once I see two breaks of structures, that's what basically I wait for. So my first break of structure was here. When I saw first break of structure here, this low was taken out. That low, this low here was taken out. Make this one blue. So we make this as our break of structure. You get it? So, and I saw another low was taken out here. This low was taken out here, which is the second break of structure. Now, after the first break of structure, what I wait for is the price to go and mitigate the other block that led to the first break of structure. But in this case, this other block has been mitigated, but it did not break this place, this one. After this break of structure here, price reversed back, mitigated this other block, but did not break this low. So it went further up to take out this high liquidity, this lower high here, the liquidity, and did what? Now broke this structure. This low here broke the structure, which makes me to mark here as the second break of structure. So at this point where the price broke the second day, this low turns to be my point of invalidation, my mitigation rather, which leaves behind point of invalidation. You can see. So here turns to be my invalidation point, which I make red for also, which is the INV. So that's my INV. You can see now the market is now this is the first break of structure. Price went back to mitigate another block here if it go on lower time frame, or this small fair value gap, and did break the second structure. So that's giving me two breaks of structure. So this was on then I marked out my other block. This is an other block here. Now, how did I mark that other block? Now let me tell you guys something. I use my Fib level, my Fibonacci to look based on my back testing. I've noticed that price reacts from 70 points. So this Fibonacci 2 I marked it from the high to the low of the market. You understand? So you can see this is the range of 70.5 to 79.5. At this point, I expect price to fall below. You understand? So but this other block is around 88.60%, which is a very good discount level, which I was expecting that price is going to set, rather premium level, which I was expecting that the price is going to fall from there. And you can see, guys, every confluence are in line in this trade. You get the point? So when I waited for price to do what? To come back to that other block. Everything is all about patience. Now when price broke this structure, I saw something, liquidity. This is a liquidity, you understand? I can also call it inducement. This for me is a liquidity. For me is a liquidity. I'm going to mark that as my X as a liquidity. So here is a liquidity. Some persons will be what? Some traders would have entered selling off from this other block here, but they will forget that this other block lies below the what? The 50%. Okay, thereabouts. It's also at the premium level, but for me, I don't take any other block that is around the 50% because it's not very well much premium. So for some traders that are new to this concept or smart money concept, whichever, would have been taking trades here, and if they have taken trade, they would have placed their stop loss here. Maybe they took the 50%. They would have placed their stop loss above here, and you can see they would have been stopped out on this trade. But for me, I don't take trades like that. So because I know that this is a liquidity for the early sellers, and price did what? Came back to my other block. Then after it came back to my other block, what do? I went down on my entry time frame, which is the likes of the 5 seconds, the 10 seconds, the 15 seconds, and also the 1 minute, whichever. But I went on the 15 seconds on this time frame. Sorry, I'm not going to show you guys here, maybe for other video, but I went on the 15 seconds and I saw my entry model. Then I saw my entry model and I took the price around, it was around 1.06700. Yes, it was around here 700. And the OG knows that I go for 2 pip stop loss. I don't use nothing above 2 pip. I can use less, but mostly I go for what? 2 pips. And you can see, guys, the market came back and did what? Triggered me in, went a little bit of drawdown here, and what the market did, it fell drastically. But normal, I go for 1:10. You understand? My 1:10 was around here, which is 20 pips. The 1:10 was around here. So within the space of 54 minutes, 51 minutes, my trades hit TP. You get the point? So that's the power of my strategy. I'm not saying it is an holy grail. It is never an holy grail. It is never. No strategy is a holy grail. You just need to do what? Understand your edge and play with the market, definitely. So you can see, guys, market smashed my TP. But if I had waited for some time, held the market would have given me massive risk to reward ratio. So guys, look at what the market did. I don't hold trade more than this. I take 1:10 and I'm done. You get? So look at what the market did here. The market fell to and it's still falling, guys. It's still falling. This would have been, if I'd heard, this would have been like 55.85 what risk to reward ratio. Come on, look at the movement. Look at it. It would have been 2 pip with what? 101 pips. Guys, this is insane. This is mind-blowing. But I did not hold this trade. Definitely, I took out the trade at what? 1:10, because that's what I go for the 2 pips stop loss and the 20 pips what target. That's okay for me. That's what my strategy can give me, which I understand. But if in the future purpose, maybe I would be doing what? Partial taking. That's for the future purpose. For now, I go with what? 1:10. So guys, look at it. So that was how my day went. This was the trade I took. It was what? A winner. It was a winner. So guys, if you really want to know and want to learn about this, you want to really know how I trade while working, just subscribe to this channel. You're going to get values. And also, if you're also a struggling trader, go watch my previous video. You will see the videos of my strategy I just displayed here. You learn a lot. Back test it. Don't start trading. Rather, you back test and do what? All kind of forward test in order to get well grind in the the market. So guys, without wasting much of your time, I'm going to catch you up in the next video. But before I go, I want to show you guys something. You see this thing here? Halogen FX prop trading journal. Guys, you see this thing here? I'm not going to say anything, but if you really want to know about this thing, subscribe to my channel. Maybe the next video, I don't know, you will know much about this thing. Just subscribe, turn on post notification. You get to know what this thing has really helped me in my trading career. So without wasting your time, I'm going to catch you up in the next video.